2 cosmonauts took a spacewalk outside the International Space Station today, February 2, to address a long-awaited update of the communication system on the Russian side of the orbital laboratory. They also set a new record for the longest Russian spacewalk, after spending 8 hours and 13 minutes working outside the station. Dressed in their Russian Orlan spacesuits, Expedition 54 Cmdr, Alexander Misurkin and flight engineer Anton Shkaplerov opened the Pirs lock hatch at 10:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 15:35 GMT, officially marking the start of your spacewalk. The cosmonauts spent the day replacing an electronics box with a high-gain communications antenna outside the Zvezda service module. Instead of clinging to the obsolete piece of equipment, the cosmonauts threw the original electronics box overboard, condemning it to burn in the Earth's atmosphere. The old box was inactive at the station for 17 years, while Russia struggled to launch its new Luch satellite networks in the midst of a financial crisis.